Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to K Seafood Pavilion. I'm your host Danny.
And I'm Medi.
Because of recently because of Squid Game, Korean food and Korean snacks are becoming such a big hit.
No, you have no idea. Like when I was in France, like in places that you could not even imagine, you would see Korean food or like Korean snacks
Oh, really?
everywhere. But out of nowhere, it's a clothing store. And then they just have like Squid Game merch with snacks, and
Wow.
I'm like, what? Like,
So it's basically like a seaweed snack, and this one is with brown rice. So in the middle there's like brown rice. I don't know if you guys can see it.
oh yeah, I can see it.
And this one is so crispy. Like,
I'm gonna try the one I have.
so good, right?
Oh my god.
So this one is brown rice. It actually has low calories. It's a savory and sweet flavor snack. It's a really nice snack you can have like when you're driving, when you're watching a movie, when you're studying. This one has almonds inside. It was like my personal favorite.
The almond one is so good.
It's so crispy. The rice one is really crispy. I feel like I'm loving this product. I was like
I
taking
think they can
pictures.
tell because we can't stop eating it.
Yeah, I know. We should start. We should basically seaweed, sesame seed, and almond, and that one is brown rice, sesame seed.
If you're on a diet, then you can just like snack very healthily on these. We're gonna talk about seaweed again, but what is different about these?
Well, this is more like a side dish than a snack, but you can actually have it as a snack also. But this one is actually flavored. So the one I'm holding is the kimchi flavor.
And this is the barley sprout soy sauce flavored one.
Yeah.
If you have this, you have both seaweed and kimchi in one food.
I mean, well, there's no kimchi, but it's a kimchi flavor.
That's what I'm saying.
But actually, seaweed contains a lot of like vitamins, minerals, iodine. So it's actually very good for your health.
Yeah.
In Korea, after you give birth, they always give like seaweed soup to like the mother.
Yeah. Give me one.
It's a bit spicy, hint of spicy.
Okay. I can do a hint.
Right?
That's so good.
Tastes like kimchi, right?
No, you know what it tastes like? Oh my god, you guys, if you're craving paprika chips,
Oh.
if you're craving that and you're on a diet, I have the solution for you right here. But this one has a little bit more of a healthy flavor to it. Like this one, the barley one, I'm gonna give it to my host Danny right now.
This one actually, they didn't put oil. So that's why you don't feel any oil. It's like a healthier...
Yeah, definitely healthier.
one of those like rice balls, and you sprinkle some on top. It would be like a perfect fit for it. And it has no salt and no oil on it. This one has sesame oil and perilla oil. The first one we introduced is dried fish. And like I said, it's one of like the most common like ingredient for Korean cuisine. You can use it in a soup. You can use it in a side dish, and you can, have it as a snack just like I do. But you use different kinds of fish and different ways to cook it. So it'd be really nice to experience the Korean one. And it's really good for hangover.
Yeah, apparently.
Really good.
You would know.
Yeah. So I always have a pack of these at home.
And then I feel like you also really like these.
Oh, I really like these too because it's troublesome to make those kind of like flavored soy sauce using like the basic soy sauce. And you can use it in so many different dishes. You can put it in rice, you can put it in side dishes, you can put it in soup. What did you put it in? Salad?
Yeah. Salad. We did like egg soup or something like that with Gina. When she was putting it, she was like very generous with it. I was like, Gina, like calm down a little bit. She was like, trust me. And then in the end, like it turned out really good.
Nice. Yeah, so it really brings out the flavor.
For sure. Oh yeah.
This one is also like a healthy snack.
Well, they're actually quite
I think you should try this because this one has a different taste.
I've introduced like these to our K Seafood viewers.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, but this one is like grilled 4 times. This one has like a deeper seaweed taste.
If you want something that is like sweet, you have like the almond stuff. If you want a snack, you have the kimchi seaweed stuff. If you want healthy stuff, then you have like the seaweed that you can put in your salads.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Yes.
It was really happy to introduce all these Korean seafood products. Thanks for watching us.
Yes, and see you soon
see
on
you
Casey
soon.
Food Pavilion. Bye.